Weekend tea time indulgences take on a whole new meaning when it's a beautiful brioche, beautiful bread and butter pudding. Simple flavors, but the end result, a decadent dessert to enjoy. Let's get to creating it. Now, if you have day-old bread, it's better to sandwich it with loads of yellow salted butter in between. And now to make the egg custard, out here we've got 4 whole eggs with 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're just going to whisk this up. Eyeball in some natural vanilla extract. With the sugar and the egg perfectly emulsified, now is the time to take 300 mils of milk and 300 mils of cream. Pour that in and whisk the entire thing together. Perfectly whisked up. Now all we're going to do is just add the zest of 1 orange into it. Into a measuring jug this goes, and this is just to make our work a lot easier. 6 ramekins greased up, and I'm just going to put these sandwich breads in. Squish it down slightly. Now this is totally optional, but I like some toasted nuts going right in between. So just sprinkle them. And it's time to pour the egg custard right on top. Now they definitely need to sit in a water bath, so into a tray they go. And I'm going to top up more egg custard as soon as the bread absorbs most of the gorgeous custard. Into a preheated oven this goes at 180 degrees centigrade for just about 20 minutes. And don't forget the cold water bath that needs to balance the textures from within. Twenty minutes later, all one needs to do is take this out and dig right into it. Perfectly toasted on top, yet moist and creamy within. No brioche bread and butter pudding can taste this good. Now ain't this the perfect tea time treat ready for the weekend? I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A burst of flavor, yet so simple that it gets done in about 30 minutes flat. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.